Hello guys, good morning. This is Stone Pickers. Now it's a long vacation, guys, because I was always been there in my area, place in the mountain. It's hard to get the signal there. And now, guys, how are you guys? And I will show you my very special cut of small piece cut of my very rare meteorite, guys. This one, guys, but the whole stone, guys, this is the sample only, guys. I get to cut a small piece slice for sample, guys. This is the inside of the stone, guys. Very nice, very beautiful, guys. But this whole stone, guys, is almost 7 kilogram, guys. This is a big stone and very heavy, guys. So you can see a little white and excuse me, guys. Now you can see, guys, the white line, guys, very beautiful, and there is a green color and black, and there is yellow there. Maybe this looks like gold, raw gold, guys. Yeah, and there is a metal iron, guys. Yes, this is a beautiful, rare, unique, also very unique. This is my little piece cutting of my very rare and unique meteorite. This is the inside of the stone, guys. And this stone, guys, this meteorite, guys, is very active for magnet, guys. Yeah, I will show you guys. This is my magnet, guys, and I will show you guys. Oh, very active po. Very active, guys. Magnet, guys. So yes, guys. So very active for the magnet, guys. So let's have a content of iron also. So very rare, guys. You can see the magnet, guys. I will. Oh, yeah, guys. Yes, guys. So active of magnet, guys. Yes, guys. Oh. Oh, guys. So active for magnet, guys. So there is a content of iron, guys. Yeah. Oh. So this stone is almost 7 kilo, guys. Kilogram. This is the inside of the stone, guys. Very beautiful. Very beautiful, unique. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I cut this sample, guys. Small piece strip. But this stone, guys, is there are so many small piece, because when I saw in the ground, it's hung in the ground, and then it was cutting 3 slice, and there is many small piece. So I got it all, guys. So I put it to scale, guys, and it's almost 7 kilograms, guys, all the whole stone, guys. So this is the inside, guys. Very beautiful. This piece is I did not polish this one. These two I polish in a little bit polish, but not really good. But I polish that one. So that's it, guys. Very rare. I cut this small piece for a sample, guys. If who interested, just PM. This is available meteorite. Yes, very beautiful. You can see it, very beautiful. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you.